Breaking news organization actual ke CDC can USAID icon USAID chala do she can la dial she can ka watch ke she can contract the she can capture jen bana la do no to gedi ki ngumle rode bana mutod bana jalat kwasame bu konor gadan cha gor bu kono kwen kwasame ne ka do bran cha gor ke je ko ngai kona gwano kanditi kandial kati chodian lat tingai ke tilat ke kuma United States tangwas na laja gwi ken go kuma United States dong tele long kata dana lang wano dian let ke ja ane tung wande larno nyir ken kuma United States ka korgwan ba laja gwi ke logan top kene tele mulu da wi mon kan lwa kana long na mene breaking news kata dana nche tuwa je gwada me kanitin kontin lalat ka USAID kana CDC la dialtin let ka CDC kana USAID USAID ngai kono no loga didan toba toba long dida long toba jadul gorka tu toba jare kuma ka toba jagwasna dial kala dial to chala do kan ci contract den ci en ke chaka kapchong warga me sha gor en wo la dial cha contract dien cha jangok name tuogere rula ka Ethiopia beje kwen ya ka tok English ko biya kula linga gwa ko do badanen chinam cha tuoga ja gwa same chagor ka tok bun Minister of Health in Ethiopia. The Minister of Health has announced that it has terminated the contract of employees employed by CDC and USAID. As stated in a letter written 5 days ago to all government LZ Bureau, the contract made with USAID and CDC with the support of the Minister of LZ has given notice that the contract of employees who were hired with USAID and the CDC has been terminated and they should implement this decision. The Minister has taken this step to end work or payment that is done by the US government through CDC or USAID. CDC or USAID from February 17, we can say that he pointed out that it was because he received a notice to stop. Pyro, Changwell, Barogo Pyro, 2017 Queen Ethiopia. Okay, la dobra ni kan lat ke jagwa same ka ta danan shi kan wargam shi kan gor ka je no ka Addis Ababa ke tamas da tena biro o sha ne kontin top ka logamo ke tene kontin let ka use ta ka kapchong ka sha contract den charge bridge ka dobra na shi kum United States je lat ke je no shi che bella ngot ka me to blok na me yanan gor de nyoy ke na me ni wan ba yara la tok do no America gor kano bugen real kan we diene ka ne to ngwana kana gujin o malat kan wona USA donc term lokana na term lokana wi kwa la kona chol kon were no kwa ko void la ji ngu ko void ngu void ka jamo donc she let ka dor ba la de telemi she let ka je right now it is eating every continent around the world ka jen dung tarif kana me ko ne dial kono ya contract ken cheke kum United States we are na ki je ka jabet so agenda na chituok ne de kono ba Donald Trump ba men chalat ba look ba ne tin kontin don gujen ko gujen o yin ko contract ko jen ka je me gwe ki jin o tele jilwang what can you do you should have that power and keep it to yourself or to your people ko jen chelong ne ka logan ne ka ko le withdraw no roda ka lokadan to ba ka witin ko kien anyong me jikan lat bo ken ka pet jokoro dien big dong de kana nyoko mutu kana ka lok so ka kujimo bena yig lef ne de kono dongo lok of course be yiga very hard long on how to cope with this situation especially ne de kono take care of go and you said lok dan top kana lok mudi de long kan lok ne de kono le ka kam kan lok la dialo ne yo ken wandi cham ka long okay de lare billion of dollars to cham ka chak up shit so gwa he jen dan go de nyoy kel bete ma